The 5 best rooftop restaurants in Los Angeles, coming up right now. Number 1, The Perch. Located in downtown Los Angeles, The Perch offers a rooftop dining experience with stunning views of the city skyline. Additionally, it has handcraft cocktails and live entertainment. Number 2, EP&LP. Situated in La Cienega Boulevard, EP&LP is a trendy rooftop restaurant and bar with a modern Asian-inspired menu. It provides a stylish ambience, panoramic views of the Hollywood Hills, and an energetic atmosphere. Number 3, Catch LA. Located in West Hollywood, Catch LA is a popular rooftop seafood restaurant known for its contemporary American cuisine and vibrant rooftop garden. Catch LA has something for everyone in seamless transitions from daytime to evening, nightlife, and events. With its signature open kitchen and breathtaking views of the downtown Los Angeles area and the Hollywood Hills. Number 4, The Highlight Room. Situated on the rooftop of the Dream Hollywood Hotel, the Highlight Room is a trendy rooftop restaurant and lounge. It features a poolside dining area, panoramic views of Hollywood, and a menu inspired by Mediterranean and California cuisine. Number 5, Mama Shelter. Found in Hollywood, Mama Shelter stands 6 stories high and overlooks the beautiful people and flickering neons of Hollywood Boulevard. Mama offers a simple and flavorsome cuisine inspired by French and American traditions so that you can feel right at home. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this one.